What's up guys, Samuel here with another video. This is a quarantine edition haircut video. And today I'll be showing you how I cut my hair using LaVivid's Mirage hair system. I'm not saying I'm a hairstylist. I'm not a hairstylist at all. I'm not a barber. But I like to do this in my free time. Now I don't recommend you cutting your own hair if you don't have any experience doing this. I've learned how to cut hair from my father, but also through watching YouTube videos, and you can definitely do this too, but it does take a lot of practice. I have to say I'm very impressed by this system. The quality is excellent. I love the feel of the hair, and the base, which is 0.04 to 0.05 millimeters thick, the base is just extremely lightweight. Be sure to visit LaVivid's website. Check it out. This is the final result. Maybe I could have taken off a little bit more weight at the end, but doing this myself, I'm super stoked. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear your feedback and answer any questions you may have, so comment down below. Take care guys, see you next time.